In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of too many concurrent requests in ChatGPT. We've all experienced this at some point. You're in the middle of an important task or conversation, and suddenly you find yourself stuck, unable to proceed. It's certainly frustrating, but don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through a few simple steps to sort this out. First things first, when you encounter this issue, the immediate action to take is simply to wait for about 30 to 60 seconds before refreshing the page. You see, sometimes connectivity issues can resolve themselves without much interference, as the server manages requests. A brief pause can do the trick, giving the system the time it needs to catch up. Another practical tip is to check the number of ChatGPT tabs you have open. If you have multiple tabs with ChatGPT running, it might contribute to the problem. Try closing those duplicate tabs, leaving just one active session open. This way, you can ensure all your requests are streamlined through one connection, reducing the load on the server and helping you avoid any crashes. Now, let's dive into your browser's settings. Open your browser and navigate to the settings menu. Here, you'll want to clear your cache and cookies. Doing this is crucial because a buildup of cache data and cookies can sometimes lead to performance issues, as they may be outdated or corrupted. Clearing them can enhance your overall browsing experience and potentially resolve the issue with ChatGPT. As we proceed, it's also important to consider the stability of your internet connection. A stable internet connection ensures that your requests are transmitted smoothly and without interruptions. So, if you're experiencing fluctuations in network speed, consider rebooting your router or switching to a different network to see if that clears up the problem. Finally, if none of the above solutions seem to work, head over to statusopenai.com. On this site, you can check for any global issues with the ChatGPT service. OpenAI provides real-time updates on outages or maintenance activities. This can help you determine if the problem is on their end, confirming whether or not you need to wait for them to resolve the issue. So there you have it, a straightforward approach to handling too many concurrent requests in ChatGPT. By waiting, checking your tabs, clearing cache and cookies, ensuring internet stability, and checking OpenAI's service status, you should be well equipped to tackle this issue. I hope you found these tips helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to follow for more guides like this in the future.